Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn how to install and set up a virtual machine. All right, so I usually just keep my icons at the bottom, most used icons at the bottoms of the bar here. So all right, we're gonna go on. This is VM VirtualBox. Gonna open this. As you can see, I already have a number of virtual machines set up with the win with the operating system installed already. So just to show you, we're gonna create a new one. All right, today we're gonna be installing Windows Server 2008. All right, so first thing first, you wanna put a proper, reasonable description for your machine. So seeing that I have Server 2008 already installed, I'm gonna put Server 2008. R2. Right after we set the name, we need to specify which operating system we're going to install. So we're going to be installing Server 2008. We're going to be installing a 64 bits. So we're going to go with Windows 2008 64. Next. All right. So what's going to happen on the virtual machine is actually going to be using your memory, your actual memory, your actual RAM from your laptop, desktop, whatever computer you're using. All right. So we're going to just leave it as a default, recommended 512 megabytes. It depends, you can scale it up or down depending on how much memory you have on your device. I have, well, this will work up to 6 gigs of RAM, but we're not going to use up all of that. Alright, we want to create a virtual hard disk and a virtual disk image. We want to dynamically allocate it, and then 5 gigs, you could just leave it at that, add to default, and we're going to create. Alright, so now that we've created our virtual machine, let's get on to installing our operating system. But before we do that, we must check our settings. Alright, we're going to mainly be using this server for basically networking. So we're going to check our network adapter. We want to put it to our host only adapter. Click on advanced here. Alright, and we want to leave it our desktop pro. Desktop pro 1000 emptied. Alright, but we're going to allow all, and then okay. If you check our general setup here, you check our system setup, you check our memory, you want to run from the hard disk first. So you're just going to put this up here. I run from the hard disk first. So with this system, we won't be doing much, so we just need one CPU running, one core running, one processor running. Alright. Everything seems to be good there. And okay. So let's start up our machine. Alright, so my computer's moving a little slow, so it might take a little while. Okay, so right here, when you get to this point now, what we're gonna do, well, before we even begin, we must have our virtual disk ready, our iOS file. Right? As you see, I already have a folder with all of them set up, with all of the operating system set up here. So alright, so I'm looking for my Windows Server 2008 iOS. Select it, open, and let's start from there. And now we wait. Alright. So there we go, we're almost there. See if we go widen up the screen. If one, you could change the scale factor, make it a little bigger. Let's put it up to 150. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna leave this as is here. Keyboard method US. And next, install now. Alright, for this session, what we're going to be doing, we're going to install our standard version. Accept. Alright, so this is where the importance of setting the hard drive space comes in. So you're going to select the virtual device, the virtual hard disk that you set before. Alright, so it's 25 gigs here. This is the amount of storage space here the virtual machine has that we set earlier. Next, it's going to use that partition, and it's going to go from here. It's going to install. It takes about roughly a half an hour. So, but I just wait and let it install. Okay, so on Windows Server 2008, you must have a password set. So for this one, I'm just gonna go with the simple password, something easy that you could remember or anybody else could remember. For me, I just use the word password with the @ sign as the A and the number 0 as the O. Alright, password changed, and now we're applying user setup. Alright, so now we have Windows Server 2008 set up. Well, usually when it starts up, you get a little cool configuration page here to help you set up everything. And that's all it's going to be for this video. Alright, I hope it was cool and fun. Alright, that's it, folks.